Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate your support. Keep on supporting this channel, and let's push this content. And don't forget to like the video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the most controversial thing when it comes to online business. So this thing is causing division amongst people, especially those who are in the beginning stage. So they want to know how to buy online, and they are always faced with this problem: how do I find suppliers? So this has been a very big issue when it comes to beginners. Even for myself, I usually thought that you need to have a physical or someone you need to talk to just there, especially in China, so that you can have a supplier in the rigid one. So I have found the solution to that, and oh my temple. And in this video I'm going to talk about how you can find a supplier, a legit one, and also I will show you how to source for suppliers on Alibaba, and how you can now establish a contact. You can be able to talk with them and do your inquiries, and also have their contact, so that you will also have what they call suppliers. It's very easy, but very critical, because you need to find the right suppliers. So when we talk of Alibaba, you need to understand that Alibaba is more like a search engine. So it's a search engine for suppliers from all over the world, but mainly in China, who are able to supply with supply goods in bulk, and also they can supply goods on a wholesale price. So this is like a search engine for many suppliers to contact their buyers from. So it's a very good and very reliable platform to use when you're starting out, especially if you're into like selling of items, like you buy then you resell. So Alibaba is a very place, it's a very good place to start with, and from there you will now develop your own understanding of how everything works around. But firstly, you need to know is you need to know how to find a very legit supplier, and how to know if this supplier is legit, and how you can make most of the contact when you now have access to them and all their products. So it's a very good startup. So watch this video to the end, and make sure you like and share if it will help you, and don't forget to subscribe and all that good stuff. So let's jump into the computer here on alibaba.com, and so I'm going to show you how you can now find a reliable supplier for your products whenever you want to buy something. And yeah, so as you can see, Alibaba is a very well organized website, and it's a search engine. So as you can see here, you can search for products here, and here you can search for manufacturers depending on what you are looking for at a particular time. So I'm looking for products, but I need to find a supplier that will supply me with the product that I need, and that will be my contact, like that will be my supplier. So what I normally do, or what you will normally have to do, is you will have to search for something that you want. So for me, I have like I am into electronics, so I will find a supplier that can supply me with the electronics that I'm looking for. I will just search for here earbuds, and I will have a lot of suggestions from this um, so as you can see here, this is like 0.5 cent. This is like half a dollar, say $6, $2, and all that. So here you will find many type of items. So here are my suggestions, and from these suggestions you can see that these may be all different suppliers, and with different experience in trading on Alibaba. So what I will need to do is, like, I will come here. So the first thing you need to know, like the first thing that you need to look for when you're trying to look for a good supplier, is you need to make sure that your supplier is verified here. So like this one here is verified, this one is verified, this one is verified, also this one. As you can see here, this one is not verified, and they have 12 years experience. So again, this is another thing you need to look for. So verified suppliers are the ones you should be looking for, and the second one should be how many years they have been in service. I usually prefer you go for something like here you can see this one here. So I will choose let me see, this one, 8 years. This one has 8 years. This one has 2 years. This one has 2 years. This one has 2 years. Let me see, somewhere between 4 and upwards. Then I will see that those suppliers have been on Alibaba for a long time, and they probably have a very good reputation when it comes to their supply. So I will go with this one, though this is just for this video's purposes. I'm not going to buy anything, so I will choose this one. So like I said earlier on, you need to make sure that your supplier is verified here, and the years, the years, meaning how long it has been on Alibaba, should be somewhere more than 5 years, so that because the suppliers on Alibaba have to pay a certain fee in order for their company or their business to reflect on Alibaba. So they should have like more years experience, and again here so apart from years, they should be able to have a trade assurance policy, or they should be able to accept payment through Alibaba. So this is for you to be secured when it comes to payment. Like you can pay for a product, and when you pay for that product, the money, when you send the money to the supplier, Alibaba will hold that money for you for some time until you are satisfied with the product. Then you can review, and you can give your opinion, like, okay, I've got what I wanted. So here you can see all this payment method. Here you need to enjoy trade assurance. So like here, this is what I'm talking about, trade assurance. Here your supplier should have a trade assurance policy, and also it should be able to accept PayPal. It's a very good indication that you are talking to the right person. Visa card, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay. If they are able to accept this type of payment, then they are legit. So these are some of the things you need to look at, and also you have to find out about more information about the company itself, like how many employees it has. So for that, you will come down here to the company profile. Then you see that how many like employees, and what does it do, because again here you can be dealing with a middleman, meaning They are not manufacturers, but they are a store. So they also order in large quantities and they resell on Alibaba. Sometimes you can have people who are selling direct from the manufacturers. So have a good understanding of the company that you're buying from before you can proceed to buy anything. So, like you see here, this is a very well organized company profile, and this is like the the store. I'm trying to play the video, but okay, it's not important now. So you need to know this. Yeah, so like here, so this company that was registered in 2018 and annual return of about 15 million US dollars, which is a very good revenue, whatever. I don't really know about this, but it has 5 years exporting, years in exporting 5 years. In the industry, it has 5 years. Language, they speak English, which is a very good added advantage because Chinese normally you won't find the it's hard to find someone who is fluent or has know how to to speak good English. And also here quality control, yes, so the products traceable for raw materials. This is a very good indication. So just check through the all the things that you will want to know before you are able to deal with these suppliers. So let me see, I'm looking like for the number of people, but here you can see that supplier service, they have 5 star on time shipment, product quality. So here you can see that people are really satisfied with their items. So this is a very good way to know how to see if it is a very good supplier. And another thing you need to see, like you can see here, you can be able to watch and see that this is a store. So you can do a 360 of the store. Okay, my PC is beginning. I don't know what's happening. Okay, so what you need to do again here is you need to know about how to talk to them. So you can chat with them, you can send an inquiry, you can call them. Normally here you really have to have good skills in terms of how to bargain with these online stores. So how do you find contact? So here is a supplier. This is the supplier's contact right here, and actually there are no magic like what other people may want it to seem. They want it to seem like it was magic for them to find the supplier, but actually it's not. It's just that you need to know how to talk to these suppliers when it comes to online business. You need to know how to talk business online and how to chat them up. So the contacts are always here. I don't know what's happening. My computer's frozen, but let me see. Okay, so the contacts you can see from here. You can contact the supplier, and that's how you have the supplier's line and be able to talk business. This is how you find the supplier. So these are the four these are the some of the things you need to pay attention to. This is the one is trade assurance. So you need to make sure that your supplier has a trade assurance. You need to make sure that your supplier is verified pro supplier, whatever, and has more than like more than one, like within an hour response time when it comes to you texting and all that. And also shipping time, ask them how they ship the items to you. All that things you need to be aware of. So this is how you find a legit and you avoid being scammed. So I will end my video here. I will see you in my next video. For now, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. It's bye for now.